to Tisam Mathematics. I am on the series equation of a circle, and today I'm looking at external condition for which two circles touch externally. So looking on the screen, I have this one here, these two circles with centers C1 and C2. So these two circles touch externally if we find the difference, the distance between the two centers, and if it is and they are equal to the sum of the radius, then the two circles touch externally. So let's look at the question here. Determine whether or not the circles this touch externally. Okay, so let the first circle be x squared plus y squared plus 24x plus 2y plus 100 is equal to 0. So we are going to find the center of this circle and then the radius. So using the general equation of a circle, that is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. When we compare, realize that 2g is equal to 24. So g will be 12, and then 2f will be equal to 2. So f is equal to 1. That's when you divide both sides by 2. Then c, when you compare, is 100. Therefore, the center, which is given as minus g minus f, will be equal to, we negate g and then f. So minus 12, then minus 2. Let's find the radius. So let's say the first radius. Radius is given by square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So square root of minus 12 squared plus minus 1 squared minus 100. So 12 squared is 144 plus 1 minus 100. So when we simplify, we get root 45, and this is the same as root 9 times root 5. So we have 3 root 5. That is the first radius. Let's move to the second circle. So the second circle is x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 16y minus 80 is equal to 0. Okay, so when we compare it with the general equation of a circle, so we have 2g is equal to this constant minus 12. So g is minus 6. Then you come to the y. 2f is equal to minus 16. f is minus 6. And then the constant c is minus 10. Okay, so we want to find the radius. So the radius now becomes square root of minus c 6 squared plus minus 8 squared minus 80. So we have square root of 36 plus 64 plus 80, and this is giving us square root of 180. When we simplify to the lowest form, we are getting 6 root 5. So we want to find the distance C1, C2, square root of 6 plus 12 all squared plus 8 plus 1 all squared, using the formula x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, square root of all that. Okay, now when we simplify, we are getting square root of this become 18 squared. 18 squared is 324 plus 9 squared is 81. So we have square root of 405. So when you simplify to the lowest level, we have 9 root 5. You can use the calculator to compute, or you can break it using the smaller numbers of 405. So you can use the calculator straight. Okay, so let's find the sum of the radius. And the first radius was 3 root 5. The second radius was 6 root 5. So let's put them together. So 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5, which is equal to root 5 root 5. So 3 plus 6, 9 root 5. Now, since the distance between the two centers is equal to the sum of the two radius, which is equal to 9 root 5, we conclude that two circles touch externally. Thank you viewers for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I load the video, wherever you are, we